a couple of old pallets, 2 screws and a bucket full of ingenuity, and you've got a brand new garden in what was a tiny little backwater bit filled with rubbish. Now if you're a bit like me, you've got a little cubby hole in your garden that you chuck all your rubbish. This is mine. This is where I stick stuff that I know I'm going to use one day, but just not today. Well, today is that day, because in here I've got it filled full of pallets and plastic trays and all sorts of stuff that I know I'm going to need one day. Today's the day. Let me show you what I'm going to make. First of all, let's get rid of this lot. Now it's a bit uneven ground here because it's actually the access to the sewers. So my garden has to kind of leave it pretty empty. So I normally use it just for storing rubbish, really. Sorry, that's what my wife calls it. I call it treasure. But I thought, if I use a couple of these old pallets and a bit of wood, who knows what I can achieve. Make sure it's level. Now that will just level it off a wee bit. If I just, instead of throwing the pallets in, if I stack them in, as if it means like they're supposed to be there. Oh, this is just an irrigation pipe for something I'll show you later. So with a couple of these, put it in here. That's looking better already. And I'll move that one out the way. And bring this one in. Then I think we've got something here. Aye, I think we have. Now, I go through quite a few pallets. I get them from Marketplace. On Facebook Marketplace, people are always trying to get rid of them. Especially in my region, because the big centre that normally takes all the old wood from the recycles, it shut down for a while. Everyone's got loads of wood and they're trying to get rid of it. So I'm getting some really nice pallets free of charge. And that's my magic number. How about that? Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, all right, he's made a tidy pile of pallets. Well, I have. But it's also another growing space. Potatoes. Mooli, giant Japanese radish. Carrots. Beautiful chard. I'll take the few screws out though. Spuds freshly planted will be ready by Christmas. And even a few Savoys. Now this corner has been looking to me for months, and it's been begging me to do something with it. So here now, with a couple of old pallets, 2 screws, and a bit of ingenuity, got another couple of square metres of garden space. It's elevated up, it's getting the light, it's protected by from the fences, from the wind, and as these come to be harvested, and they're not far off now. We'll replace these with crops that will carry us on right up to and through the winter. Now, if I can do this with a couple of old pallets, you can do it too. Give it a go. Now, what am I going to do with this tonight? Do you know what? It's not going to last that long. Oh. When did you last have a carrot that tasted like a carrot? Cattle on pet.